Well, hello. We're here today to take a look at the price analysis of Avalanche, AVAX. But before we do, I'm going to swing over to TradingView. I want to show you something. The technical analysis that TradingView presents on the 1 day shows Avalanche on a strong buy. The oscillators are showing a buy, moving averages, strong buy. It's the same on the weekly. When I move to the weekly, still a strong buy, oscillators and moving averages at the same levels, and this may look familiar on the monthly. Also, a strong buy for Avalanche, oscillators and moving averages are showing the same. Well, it's not hard to see why people are recommending Avalanche for a buy when you can look at the fantastic move it has been making. Now, let me differentiate Avalanche from some of the other coins we're seeing in crypto and the movements we've seen lately. We've seen fantastic moves in crypto across the board since October. We've seen them across the board. One example was Bitcoin, where we had price basically from October straight up. And again, we see that ADA, Ethereum, everything across the board. AVAX did the same. Yes, you can see from, again, about the middle of October straight up. Now, the difference is Avalanche has gone up about 4 times. Most other coins have doubled or maybe tripled, but not many have gone from 10 to 44 and pushing higher. So it's even gone higher than 4 times as much. And if I switch to the daily on Avalanche, looky here. We're in a rising channel still, in a rising channel. Now, many other coins in crypto, they have made that big move, but they are in a declining channel, a falling channel, as the market breathes, as it makes its natural retracements, and there's no fear among those coins. But you happen to look at Avalanche and say, goodness gracious, this isn't even a falling channel after that super run up that it made over the past 2 months. We're still in a rising channel and going higher. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, you can see the channel. This is on the daily. Takes into account the highs of the days and the lows of the day. You can see higher highs and higher lows, which is perfect for a move upward. People are calling for 50. Will we be hitting 50 in Avalanche soon? And it's really hard to say we won't. But look at, let's say, Ethereum. After their fantastic move up on the weekly, and this is only since November, if I zoomed out to the weekly on Ethereum, you see its fantastic move. It had the same move, but look at it. It's got a falling trend line. Doge, falling trend line. ADA is trying to break out of its falling trend line. Bitcoin just broke out of its falling trend line. You see that across the board. There's 2 coins I notice that are in a rising channel, not a falling one. Solana is one, and it won't stop. I'll be doing a video on that shortly. And Avalanche is another. It also will not stop. So if you are a holder of Avalanche, you are doing fantastic. Don't do a thing. Just hang on. It's going to go higher over the next few months and into next year, which the whispers, and it's not even whispers, is just the flat out shouting is 2024 is going to be great for crypto. Every indication is that's going to be the case. You have no concern for Avalanche until it challenges this downward channel and breaks below it. And even then, when I say concern, I don't mean a long-term concern. I mean, if it hits this channel and starts falling below, that's simply the market retracing in a healthy manner, just like these other coins have. So there's no concern with Avalanche at all, just in case you're trading on the short term, few hours, few days, maybe a week or two. You want to watch this upper rising channel. You don't want to see price fall out of it. It will eventually. It can't continue straight up, but just be aware that would be the first indication of some retracement coming in Avalanche. But right now, hang on to what you've got. If you want to get into it, wait for it, see if it'll fall. Eventually it'll come down some. We don't know where. I don't know if it'll ever hit 40 again. More than likely it will. But if you're looking to get into it, look for a retracement and just be patient. Try to get into it soon. But boy, if you are in it and have been in it for a while, you're looking good over the last 2 to 3 months, and it's only going to get better. All right, that's the update on Avalanche. Be sure to check back often on updates across the crypto world.